Hey guys, we're gonna lay some new beds out today, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the garden. Got your handheld today, and this is gonna be a new, the way I do things, this will be a 278 part series again. But I kind of made a decision what I was going to do. I'm sure you guys have watched the other center bed build up to part 4. Center bed build? Yeah, I think that's what it was. But I did decide what I was going to do in that goofy spot over there. Hold on, I got something popping out of my bee house there. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to spin you around. And this is just going to be a real quick part 1. And I'm going to show you what I'm thinking of doing. So here's all the medium we dug out. Remember from digging out over there? So I decided to go in ground. So I kind of mapped it out. Let me zoom out here a little bit. So I kind of mapped it out. Put some string lines in there. Get us an idea of what exactly I want to do. So what I'm thinking is, right here, this is going to be a 4-foot path. That way I can get my wheelbarrow in, I can set pots in there, I can do stuff, I can turn the wheelbarrow around in there. Here's a bed. The beds are going to be 3 foot by about 14. Or around 3 foot and around 14. Give or take half an inch or so. Another 4-foot path in between the 2 beds. And then this is going to be the second bed. And then another 4-foot path. And like I said, that is just to allow the wheelbarrow. As you can see, it's pretty big. The way I can get in there, I can get access to these raised beds right here. And this path right here also, because I can get my wheelbarrow in here. I can turn it, I can dump it. I'm not going to be going in on the other beds. Now here, I kept this in line basically, sort of. It's getting pushed around a little bit with that bed because the fence is not really on a straight line, as you can tell, because those beds are pretty square. Now I was going to go and match the fence, but I do like having some room to walk. That way if I need to stay in the fence, if I want to put some stuff back there, you know, store a wheelbarrow back there, I'll be good. But in this way, maybe I can zoom back out, get up on the other corner. This way we'll have 2 in-ground beds and 3 really nice paths, because I'm always storing stuff. And another thing, I do believe, I gotta measure my hoop houses over there, but I think they may just set right on here. It may not be long enough, maybe too long, I'm not really sure, but I may be able to utilize those guys just by setting them right on top. Whoop, there we go. Well, hey, this is just the first part in the series of doing the in-ground beds. I don't know what to name. Well, we're going to name this series for the 26 people who watch them. The Noah's in-ground bed homage to Charles Dowding, the English gardening master. That's kind of long. I'm going to type that out. But it's going to be part 1 in the in-ground beds that I'm going to put in. And like I said, I'm going to get some cardboard. I'm going to line this with cardboard. I'm going to kind of spread that medium out. That may just be 1 bed. I'm not sure. I'm not real sure how tall I'm going to spread everything. So I'll spread all that stuff around and probably top it off with some good compost and possibly cover them for winter. But I should be able to get this done. And I am having the hardest time at getting wood chips. Chip drop has not come through. Some of the other arborists that I use have not come through. But I need some wood chips because I gotta clean the paths up and get everybody covered. It's getting a little bit muddy out here, but hey, that's just shows how good the wood chips are rotting away after 4 or 5 years. It's really good since I totally redesigned. Well, hey, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of part 1, what we're doing. Anybody has any comments what I'm doing? Maybe I should change something up, do it a different way, make the beds a different way. And if you did notice, the beds are going a different way than my other beds because I just want to try something different. But shoot me a comment down below. Hey, if you're here, like, subscribe, share the video around, hit the thumbs up on there. I really appreciate that. Whew. It's a beautiful fall evening. Well, hey, this is Noah from the garden. Thanks for stopping by.